What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis Jr. here with ericellisjr.com, and in this video we're going to go ahead and cover how to make money on ClickBank for free. The same methods that you're going to be able to apply to generate $100 per day as soon as today. I promise you, you don't want to miss this video. Stay freaking tuned.
Yeah. Oh. Gucci gang. Oh.
That's it right now, T-Man.
Low pump. Yeah. Gucci gang. Oh.
Oh,
yeah.
big head on the beat.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
So what's going on, guys? Eric Ellis Jr. here, and what we're going to do is simply cover within this video, as stated before, how you're going to be able to make money online or make money with ClickBank for free with these three simple methods. Now, I'm not going to go ahead behind the ClickBank back office and everything of that nature. You should know already, if you haven't before, right, that the first thing that you're going to need is a ClickBank. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Is a ClickBank offer, right? So basically, once you find your ClickBank offer, and the first thing that you want to do is make sure it has a high gravity score. And before you even do that, you want to make sure you figure out what your niche is, right? Now, the first step is creating a ClickBank account. If you don't have a ClickBank account already, then you should already be doing that, right? But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys very quickly. We'll go to ClickBank, clickbank.com, and what we're going to do is simply, if we look over here, these are all the different niches, right? And once you're actually logged into the ClickBank platform, what they'd allow you to do is simply find one of these products, right? We'll do health and fitness, and once we do health and fitness, you're simply going to be able to promote one of these products. They're going to go ahead and give you a link, right? Once they give you a link, you're going to go ahead and start getting to promoting. Now, that's where this video comes in, and if you watch all the way to the end, do not skip, right? I will give you a bonus. So here's the thing, right? We figured out our niche, right? You should know your niche already. Is it health and wellness, making money or wealth, and romance? Those are the top three niches that you guys should be picking when it comes to affiliate marketing. Then you want to go ahead and find a ClickBank offer, and you want to go ahead and filter your search results by the gravity score. The gravity score is simply the amount of affiliates who have made money with that specific offer within a week's time frame. So if the gravity score says something like 180, that means 180 affiliates have made money with that affiliate offer, right? Now, there's where this video comes into play, right? At the end of the day, we're looking for traffic. So first and foremost, what we're going to do is we're going to get an affiliate link, right? Now, the objective is to figure out how we're going to go ahead and get traffic to this affiliate link, right? So we're going to go ahead and cover three methods that you guys can use to drive traffic to your ClickBank affiliate link within this video, right? Now, the first method number one, is Instagram. So what you want to do is create a niche-based Instagram account, right? You can go ahead and create a niche-based Instagram account, and that's more so long-term, right? But at the end of the day, if you want to be successful, you should be willing to put in the work. Now, here's an example of content that I'm creating for my Instagram niche-based account. And method 2 and 3 actually are, 1 and 2 are actually pretty similar, and you can actually use the same content, which is pretty awesome, right? Now, if you notice, how am I monetizing this Instagram niche account, right? I'm driving traffic to my links. If you look at the link in the description, people who come across my page, I'm going to be driving traffic to my affiliate link. Number 2 is on my actual content. Let's see how many. We'll look for something that did pretty well. So that has 294 views, right? And we have wolvesentourage.com. So that's going to be driving traffic to my actual sales process to sell my affiliate offers, right? So it's a free traffic source. All you're doing is you're driving traffic to this offer. And from time to time, right, what you can do is a commercial break. You start to build a following with around a specific niche. Then every so often you can literally put a piece of content on your Instagram that'll be an Instagram advert. Literally, you're going to be promoting something or redirecting people to the link in your bio, right? Meaning you could say, hey, if you guys want to learn how to make money online, click the link in my description. Or if you are building a weight loss niche, hey, if you guys want to learn the secrets to losing belly fat fast, click the link in my bio, right? Whatever it is, you're going to be redirecting traffic of the following that you're building to your offer, right? And last but not least, if you do get over 10,000 followers, there's something called a story swipe up feature. And let me see if I have any. If I click my own story.
Welcome to me, Eric Ellis. And we got the menu. What's up?
So if you notice, in this picture right here, it said just one of my income streams. I worked a few hours a week, and I can't even spell correctly, but I worked for and make money in my sleep, right? $300 yesterday, $2,000 the last 7 days. Swipe up if you want to learn to live the laptop lifestyle, right? So it's called a swipe up feature, right? The reason why I have access to that is because I have over 10,000 followers on my Instagram account, right? Now this isn't a niche-based Instagram account, but I'm just showing you guys this method. Once you guys build a large enough following, you're going to be able to tell your audience that you're building, who's viewing and that's engaging with you, to swipe up. So that's one method, an additional method when it comes to Instagram, right? So content creation, right? You have to leverage hashtags, and there's a whole bunch of videos online that you guys can look at to build an Instagram following. But this is one of the ways that I make a ridiculous amount of money with affiliate offers using and leveraging Instagram, right? So that is number one. Number two, what is pretty cool, right? Method number two is Pinterest. Now, believe it or not, right? What you can do is literally the same content you're using on your Instagram niche-based account, you can actually redistribute the same content to Pinterest. Now, let me show you guys an example, right? So what I do is on my actual Instagram account, Wolves Entourage. So right here, these pieces of content on Pinterest. Now I want you guys to look at something, right? Now I'm starting slow, but this is eventually going to build into a large traffic source, right? So if you notice, right off the jump, if I go to my my Pinterest account, 71,000 monthly viewers. Now my Pinterest name is my website domain, which is driving traffic to whatever type of offers I want to promote as an affiliate, right? And if you notice, right, I'm driving traffic to my YouTube videos, and I'm leveraging the same content that I was posting on my Instagram, right? Same content, and I'm just posting it on my Pinterest. But depending on the type of content that you have, there's two awesome things about Pinterest with promoting affiliate offers, right? Number one is that people can repin your posts, right? So if it's great quality content, unlike Instagram, you have the viral effect to where people can literally massively share your content, and it's gonna drive more traffic to whatever it is you're promoting, right? If you notice, if I was to go ahead and show you this one, right? This one piece of content has 160 saves and 10,000 impressions, right? And if you look on the piece of content, it's ericellisjr.com, so I'm promoting my website domain. So literally my website domain from one post came across 10,000 people. It showed to 10,000 people. Why? Because quality content, right? And also leveraging hashtags. So that's the first thing. Number two, why Pinterest is so important is because if you click here and you press edit, if you notice, if you see right here my website, right? So you can actually add your website on the back end of your content. So whenever you're producing content, you can literally be redirecting people towards your affiliate offers, your ClickBank offers, right? So that's number two, guys, leveraging Pinterest. There's tutorials online to where you can go a little bit more in depth, but that's just to give you guys a food for thought. And then last but not least, my absolute favorite method, number three, is YouTube. Now, how are you gonna go ahead and create YouTube, right? Now, depending on whatever you are promoting as an affiliate with ClickBank, right? Let's just say health and wellness. What are some common problems that people are gonna have when it comes to health and wellness, right? You want to seek a common problem people are having with whatever you're trying to sell them, and you want whatever you're selling them as the solution. So an example would be losing weight, right? I'm trying to lose weight, so what would I search? I would search how to lose weight. Now what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to try to rank my YouTube videos for the keyword how to lose weight, right? Now the longer the keyword, the less competitive. So an example is I could do how to lose weight in a week. That's called a long tail keyword, and people are more likely going to, I'm going to have less competition trying to rank for a higher or a longer tail keyword, right? Now if you notice, 15 million views 1 year ago, 2 months ago, 2 million views, right? So what you can do, if there is a piece of content that is duplicatable, meaning obviously if it's not a personal brand, but it's some sort of like how-to video or just video with some sort of knowledge behind it, what you're gonna do, you're simply gonna go out and watch the video, right? An example, I would watch this video. Then once I watch the video, I'm gonna go ahead and model the same type of video and then try to create the same type of video, ranking it for the same title, right? And what I'm gonna do is provide 80% value, and then the last 20% of that video, so maybe the last minute of this video, I'm going to be pitching them on my affiliate offer. Meaning if you want faster results, right? Yes, you can apply what's in this video, but you can go ahead and actually get quicker results by, and then boom, product recommendation. You recommend your product and tell them to click the link in the description, and then they'll get access to whatever you're promoting as an affiliate. So with that being said, guys, it's very simple. Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube are some great free traffic methods to where you guys can make money with ClickBank for absolutely free. Now with that being said, if you guys want to learn the fundamentals of affiliate marketing, or any you need tools and resources to actually crush it, all my tools, all my resources are in the links in the descriptions. Yes, they are affiliate links, but they are what I actually use as an affiliate. Number two, if you guys are serious about crushing it online as an affiliate, and you guys have been struggling, right, when it comes to affiliate marketing or digital marketing, you can't kind of wrap it around your head or figure out what the heck it is that you need to do to actually finally get results, right? The first link that you get access to is going to be something that I've been working on, something special that is literally going to be a game changer for your online business, and it'll literally be the thing that you need to finally get results in affiliate marketing. I can't teach you everything in a 13-minute video, but I can teach you everything without multiple webinars, hours and hours of content at your disposal, right? So grab access to that first link. It's going to be something that I've been working on for a long period of time. It is going to be a game changer for your digital marketing business. Now make sure to smash that subscribers button, right? So that way you can join the family. I create how-to videos on affiliate marketing, digital marketing. My main objective is to help you crush it online and online business. If you want to crush it, smash that subscribers button right now and hit that notifications bell, so that way you can be the first to be notified. So that way every piece of content that I drop on the daily can get you one step closer to a life of time, location, and financial freedom. So hit that subscribers button right now. With that being said, I drop content on the daily, so I will see you tomorrow. Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.
Yeah, Gucci gang. Oh, yeah.
Big head on the beat.
Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang.